We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone. And that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.